Madam, good evening.
How are you?
I'm very fine, ma. God bless you. Madam, I say, let me go and thank you. Oh, madam. This evening, I didn't think, how am I going to break my fasting? Sandra, you come with big plate. I said, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Sandra, now come and give me plate. I open now. Voila. Food is plenty. He say, me, give me. Oh, madam, God bless you.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
But I hope that one will be enough for you.
Madam, you know, say, the place where I come from, you know, they talk no for food. This man!
Okay, just wait here. Let me clear up the dining now. Get more for you.
Okay, madam, thank you, ma. Madam!
Yes,
Madam, God bless you.
Bless you.
Another woman not go see her husband. In fact, any other woman won't go see her husband. Iron go buy cloth. Dog go buy town. Electric from the river Niger and Kanji down gonna shock it. Ah, Allah, Billy, bless the woman for me. What that? Are they chicken?
This man!
Prayer be like chicken, prayer be like turkey.
You be mumu.
I don't know how they will. Let me go. Nah. The chicken I wrote.
70 years old man.
Madam! Madam! Hey, madam!
Alhaji, I know you are very hungry.
I'm very hungry, ma.
I know you are.
Eh.
Just go and eat. I'll send Sandra to get you more.
Thank you, ma. I'm gonna take my leave now.
Alhaji, come. I've not seen your wife for a very long time. Hope she's fine.
I tell madam, you know, fasting, you know, thing not gonna quantize. And
She's very fine.
She's very fine. I say let her travel and go and stay with her parents so that I can concentrate on fasting. That's why I'm she good.
Okay.
She good. Thank you, ma. God bless you. Thank you.
Alhaji.
Wait, you. Yes, ma.
How is your shop?
Madam, Bine going. Everything fine.
Everything fine.
Everything fine.
Okay.
Thank you, ma.
Okay.
No.
Alhaji.
Madam.
Why are you acting strange?
I'm hot. You know the weather hot. You know the sun. The sun hot. Come on, contesting for election. So the day when it hot me inside.
Hot inside. Okay, Alhaji. When you finish eating, you can have a cold bath, then you'll be fine.
Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
Bless you.
Thank you, ma.
Alhaji.
Madam!
Oh my God! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Madam! He was complaining that his body was hot. I don't know.
That was hot.
Yes.
Hey! He don't do. One come out my clothes before I complain hot. Madam, Kai, take your chicken. Madam, collect your power. Take it, they disturb me. Before power, well, they calling me 100 times. They call, Alhaji, come back. Alhaji, take your chicken.
Alhaji,